Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is June 11, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the futures trading higher again today. They're up 16 points to 29.05 and a quarter per contract. Futures catching another pretty hefty bid ahead of the opening bell. This has been a meteoric rise really since the June 3rd pivot low. We'll see how high we go today or where we finish. But again, markets are getting a little bit overbought at this stage of the game. So we'll see how it plays out. Now, as always, let's take a look at stocks in the news. The biggest movers of the day, believe it or not, are not earnings plays. They are downgrades. Let's take a look at Beyond Meat. BYND is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now trading at 148.50. Closed yesterday at 168.10. It looks like they were downgraded by JP Morgan. I really don't have a level to give you here. So we'll have to look at this stock once the opening bell rings. But I still think it's severely overbought even at this level. So again, we'll keep it on the radar today. It's a new issue. We don't really have a lot of past data to work with. But nonetheless, this is coming down pretty sharply from a very, very overbought condition in my opinion. Let's take a look at SYMC. It looks like this was downgraded by Morgan Stanley. This is Symantec. Stock is trading at 18.20, closed at 19.21. So you got a little bit of down ticking there. I don't know if this goes much lower than 17.50 today. So again, I don't think there's a whole lot of downside here, but nonetheless, it is trading lower at the moment. Let's take a look at LYFT, LYFT. Stock right now was upgraded this morning. You could check it out for yourself, but right now it's trading at 58.85. Stock closed at 56.76. So you got a nice little $2 pop there for LYFT. When I did the math behind this, and I really don't have a lot of data to work with, I wouldn't rule out that it can't go a little higher. I just don't see a whole lot to it. So we'll see where that one goes. Let's take a look at AVGO, which is Broadcom. This stock right now trading at $291 this morning, closed at $280.21. So this big pop in Broadcom this morning is due to a deal with Apple. Looks like they did a 2-year deal there. So again, Broadcom on the move. That's a big semiconductor. That will help the chip stocks today overall, and we'll see how it plays out. You got a lot of metal and mining names up today. It looks like iron ore prices are exploding in China. So you got stocks like Freeport-McMoRan doing well this morning, closed at 10.61, trading at 10.05. Cleveland Cliffs, or Cliffs Natural as it's called now, trading at 9.85. This, I believe, closed at 9.42. BHP Billiton trading at $54.96, closed at 53.33. You have Rio Tinto, RIO. This also trading at 60.32, closed at 58.63. So again, a lot of good moves here in the metals and mining names. We'll be watching those once the opening bell rings. Don't do much with them yet. We'll see what they give us right after the opening. Let's take a look at some earnings now. ASNA, which is Ascena. Stock is trading at 105, closed at 104. We're not going to make much out of that. I wouldn't touch it either way with a 10-foot pole. Chico's, CHS, trading at $3.29, closed at $3.41. Another one I really wouldn't do much with. Then you have HD Supply, HDS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $39.62, closed at $42.53. I think 38 is a pretty good level here. So keep HDS on the radar today at around $38. Then if it does go lower, you have a more support level at 37, which is the weekly chart 200 moving average. So keep that on the radar today. HCS around a Pierce of $38. That should be pretty decent support. Let's do one more here. CASY, which is KC General Stores. Stock is trading at 143.88, closed at 133. Good little pop there. Stock is showing some strength in an uptrend. So we're going to leave it at that. No level I have really for that one yet. That is what we call a lighter volume stock. On a good day, it trades probably 200,000 shares. On a heavy day, it probably trades 400,000. So not much I do with those names. I prefer personally trade a heavier volume names. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today down $1.50 to $1,327.90 an ounce. All in all, when you look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at around 124.91, down from 125.33. Crude oil this morning trading up 69 cents to $53.95 a barrel. That's a good little pop for crude. Crude regaining some strength here after being really shellacked last week. Stock right, or the ETF right now for crude is the USO. That's trading at 11.23, closed at 11.11. So crude getting a bid. Oil a little bit on the weaker, gold on the weaker side today, and we'll see what this market gives us once the opening bell rings. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.